Hey everyone, so in this video we're gonna just go through what happens just right after you verified with Orb. So I did it with Germany, and this is I'm just recording in the app exactly what's happening. So you will see here I had some reserved grants, and now I have like claim button for them. Yep. And then as you can see, this app is quite glitchy. So right after you verified with Orb, there will be a lot of bugs. Like as I can notice, like the app is not really working, but you just will have this world ID tab in the bottom middle. And then I would suggest you just to wait like a day at least, and then things will start working. You will see claim button for your reserved grants. It's not gonna work for the first day. So that's just what it is. It's kind of normal. And then, yeah, so that's just what happened to me. And then there will be a lot of errors here as well. So that's what you can see at this moment.